Right, good afternoon students and welcome to this YouTube live class. I'm Cleeta Ma'am, Mathematics Educator for KCET on Unacademy, India's largest learning platform. So students, in today's class, we will be having a mock test on permutation and combination. So I have certain questions lined up for today's class that we will be solving here. Right students, before I start the class, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yes, and do click on the bell icon to keep yourself notified with all the classes that will be happening here. All the top educators on our platform will be taking up live session on the platform as well as on the YouTube channel here. If you're liking my class, do not forget to give me a thumbs up at the end of the class and do join me in the other classes as well. You can check out for the link to my profile on the Unacademy platform. It's given to you in the description below. That is www.unacademy.com/@Cleeta. So do click on the link and do follow me on the platform there students, and do join me in the free special classes that I will be taking up. So from now on, to access these free special classes, you will be asked for a code, and do not forget to use the code that is Cleeta D'Souza, CLEETADSOUZA, to get free access to all these special classes on the Unacademy platform. Students, the plus course for KCET preparation are already live, and you might be wondering what would be the difference between the special classes and plus classes. In the plus classes, you will get classes or premium content at affordable prices. I'm saying affordable price, we will look at it later, but the premium content, because you're getting an access to the classes of all top educators on our platform. There are 20 plus top educators. You will have an access to classes of all the educators here. So these will be live classes along with live doubt clearing sessions, keeping the practice module in mind. We also conduct quizzes, mock tests, regular test series, which will be helpful for you all to analyze your progress in that particular concept while you're preparing for your competitive examination. And as I said, you will be attending classes of 20 plus top educators. With a single subscription, you will be able to access classes for everyone there, right? You will have an access for the classes of all the educators. So do not waste much of your time students. Get your plus subscription. You can also find the link to a plus subscription given in the description below. So click on the link and explore the plus subscription. Now in the plus subscription, you will also have the access to the different batch courses that we have on the platform, right? So there you go. This is the Champions batch, which is for the preparation for the year 2021. And also we have the other preparation courses here, that is a Kannada batch as well as the comprehensive batch. So you can join in any of these batch courses. You can have an access to all the batch courses here on the platform. For that, you need to check out the plus subscription. So do check out for the link that is given below, and check for the subscription for a month, 6 months, 12 months or 24 months. And do not forget to use the code that is Cleeta Live. Using this code, you will get 10% off on all these subscriptions on our platform. Yes, then students, let's begin with the class now. Let me give you all a question to begin with. So here's your question: in how many ways all the letters of the word minimum be arranged such that all the vowels are together? Right, so this is your question. In how many ways can we arrange all these alphabets MINIMUM such that all the vowels will come together? Now look at the word. What are the vowels that we are given here? You have I, which is repeated twice, and the letter U. So we have 3 vowels here. Am I correct? What about the number of consonants? How many consonants do we have? You have M, N, M, M, right? So there are 4 consonants where the letter M is repeated 3 times, right? So while we are arranging the numbers, while we are arranging the alphabets, we will consider all the vowels as one entity, because we need to place them together, right? So we'll consider all 3 vowels as one entity. So total number of ways of arranging 4 consonants and the vowel would be done in 5 factorial ways. Am I correct? But in these 4 consonant students, the letter M is repeated 3 times. So this could be done in 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial ways. Now, we have considered the 3 vowels as an entity. So in how many ways can we arrange these 3 vowels? This could be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Now in this, the letter I is repeated 2 times, right? So this would be 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial here in this case. So our required answer would be 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial, which is nothing but 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Now what is 5 factorial? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 factorial, which is 2 into 1. So the value here in this case, you will have 5 into 4 into 3. Am I correct? Which is going to be 60 here in this case. So the option A is the right answer for this question here. Yes, I hope you guys are following the solution, students. If you have any doubts, you can always leave them in the chat box there. I will be able to help you out with the solution for your doubts, or help you out in clearing your doubts. So yes, let me proceed with the next question now. Here you have the next question, students. In how many ways a group of 4 men and 3 women be made out of a total of 8 men and 5 women? Right? So out of the 8 men you need to select 4, and out of 5 women you need to select 3 while you are making the groups. So give a try to this question, students. Do attempt this question and give me your answers in the chat box there. I'm giving you all a minute of time. So let's see if you'll manage to get the answer for this. So this is going to be a direct question, right? It is basically the answer here in this case. You are selecting 4 men out of 8. So this is the combination concept. So 8C4, and the number of ways you're selecting women. You're selecting 3 out of 5. So this is 5C3. So your required answer is 8C4 into 5C3. So calculate this value and give me the answer. Yes, 8C4, this is 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 8 minus 4 factorial, which is 4 factorial, into 5C4, this is 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial, divided by 5 minus 3 factorial, which is 2 factorial. So calculate this value, students. So here you will have 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. So a term in the denominator will cancel out, and the other 4 factorial, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, right? Multiplied with 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial, this is going to be 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. So cancelling out the terms, right? 4 2s are 8 and 3 2s are 6. So we have 5 5s are 25, 25 into 4, that is 100, 100 into 7. So the right answer for this question is 700. So given option A is the right answer for the question here. Yes, I hope you guys are following the solution. So let's proceed with the next question for now, students. Here we have the next question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by number 4? Okay, first of all you're asked for 3-digit numbers which are divisible by number 4. Now when can I say a number is divisible by number 4? Okay, when the last 2 digits of a number are divisible by number 4, we can say the number is divisible by 4 in that case. So when we are considering the 3-digit numbers, right? So let's consider the last two digits as a single entity, and we need to check for the possible ways we can fill the tens and units place such that they are multiples of number 4. Okay, wherein when you are filling the hundreds, we want 3-digit number and we have the option that is from 0 to 9, but I cannot take 0 here, right? It won't be a 3-digit number. So what are the possible numbers that I can take in hundreds place? That is going to be from number 1 to 9. So I have 9 different possibilities here, right? Now let's come back to the possibilities of filling the tens and units place. As I said, a number to be divisible by 4, the number in the term tens and units place, this should be divisible by 4. So what are the possible ways that we can take? What are the multiples of 4 that we can start with? First of all, we can take 0 and 0. This is going to be divisible by 4. And then 0, 4, 0, 8, right? And the last multiple, the 2-digit multiple of number 4, which would be divisible by 4, that is going to be 96 here in this case, right? So what are the total number of ways in which that you can complete? So if I'm not wrong, 96 is a multiple of 4 and it goes 24 times, right? So there are 24 options starting from 04 up to 96, and you have 00. So total number of terms that we have here is going to be 25. You can also check this number using the AP concept, right? The first term here is 0. The difference is going to be 4. So the value for n, the different values that we have, which are 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 4, this is going to be 25. So we have 25 different possibilities to fill in the place for tens and units such that the number would be divisible by 5. So a required answer here in this case will be 9 into 25, and this is going to be equal to 225. So the right answer for this question is the option B, students. Yes, I hope you guys are following the solution here. Right, then let me give you all the next question then. So here we have the next question, students. There are 8 men and 7 women. In how many ways a group of 5 people can be made such that a particular woman is always included? Okay, so you have 8 men and 7 women. So this is a group of 15 people. Out of these 15 people, you need to select 5. Now here you have a condition that a particular woman is always to be included, right? So the work of selecting one people is reduced now. So how many people do we have to select? We have to select only 4 people now, right? One person is already selected for all the combinations there, and it is particularly a woman. So the number of women that we have in team now, this is going to be 8 men and 6 women. Out of them, which is the number 14, out of 14 we need to choose 4 of them. So in how many ways are we going to do this? This is possible in 14C4 ways. Okay, our required answer is 14C4. So please calculate this value and give me the value, students. Take 30 seconds of time, evaluate this and give me the answer. Yes, good morning Likit. Welcome to the class. So 14C4, right? This is 14 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 14 minus 4, that is 10 factorial. So substitute the value, students. 14 factorial divided by 10 factorial, this would be 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 divided by 4 factorial, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So let's cancel out the terms here, right? 4 3s are, this is 12, so I'm cancelling out the multiple here. 2 1s are, and this is 7s are, right? 7 13s are, this is going to be 91 multiplied with 11, yes, and this will be equal to 1001 here in this case. Okay, the right answer is going to be 1001 students. So the option C is the right answer for the given question here. Yes, I Likit. Good afternoon, welcome to this class. So students, if you are liking my classes, do not forget to give me a thumbs up here, and also do check out for the link in the description to my classes on the Unacademy platform. Do follow me on the platform and do join me in my regular classes that I will be taking up on our platform there. Yes, I hope you guys are following the solution. Students, if you have any doubts, you can leave your doubts in the chat there. I will be able to clarify them. Right, then let's proceed with the next question, students. So here's the next question for the class now. There are 6 men and 7 women. In how many ways a committee of 4 members can be made such that a particular man is always to be excluded? Right, while you're making a committee, a particular man is always excluded, and what is the total number of people that we have here? We have 6 men and 7 women. So out of the 6 men, you need to exclude one particular person. So what are the number of choices that we have while we're selecting the men? It is 5. And what about the women? We have 7. So total number of people that we have here is 12. Out of these 12 people, we need to select any 4 while making the committee, right? So this is selection. So the concept here is of combination, students. So the required answer here in this case will be 12C4. Okay, the required answer here in this case will be 12C4. So calculate the value for 12C4 and give me your answers. Which of the following option do you think is the right one here? C4 is nothing but 12 factorial divided by 4 factorial divided by 12 minus 4, that is 8 factorial. So calculate this value, students. So 12 into 11 into 10 into 9, okay, into 8 factorial. So 8 factorial will cancel out, divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Yes, 4 3s are 12. So we have a multiple cancelling out. So 2 1s are, this is 5s are. So 5 9s are is 45. 45 into 11. So the answer here in this case will be 495. So the option D is the right answer for the given question here. So if you have observed the questions that we have just done, right? So here in this case, one particular person was excluded. So you could take this as the learning, students. Suppose if you have n people, right, out of them you need to select R people, right? If a particular person is always excluded, your required answer would be n minus 1 CR. Okay, when a particular person, I'm taking the value for 1. Suppose if you're excluding 8 people, or A items are to be excluded, in that case your required answer would be n minus A CR, right? In the previous problem, we saw that a particular lady was always included there. Am I correct? So in that case, the n value here initially was 15, so you subtracted 1, and the R value was 5 and you subtracted 1. So when a particular person is always included, in that case what we do is we subtract that value both from N and R. So suppose if I take A people are always included or A things are always included while you're making particular combination, then the required answer would be N minus A, C, R minus A. Okay, so these are the special cases, so do remember them. When you have particular items or particular people always included, then your answer would be of the form N minus A, C, R minus A. When a particular person or a particular thing is excluded, it will be of the form N minus A, C, R. Right? So I hope you guys have understood this concept here. So let's proceed with the next question, students, for this class. Let me give you all the next question. So here we have the next question. So this is a basic question. So let me give you all a minute of time to figure out the answer. So before that, we need to have 4-digit numbers formed. This is a condition. Out of the digits given 7, 8, 5, 0, 4, and the additional condition we have is the repetition is not allowed. So let me take a block of 4. Right, students? So figure out in how many ways can you fill in the thousands, hundreds, tens and units place. Given the digits here are 7, 8, 5, 0 and 4. Yes? Take your time. Try figuring out the right answer and give me your answers in the chat box there. Come on. I'll give you a minute of time, students. So yes, students, your time is up. So we need 4-digit numbers, right? The given digits 7, 8, 5, 0, 4. If I place the digit 4 in the thousand place, it wouldn't be a 4-digit number, right? So we cannot consider 0 while we are checking for the possibilities to fill in the thousand place. So how many possibilities do we have to fill in the thousand place? It is going to be 4 different possibilities, right? Now the repetition is not allowed. The digit that is filled in here cannot be filled in the hundreds place. So we have 3 digits remaining and the digit 0. So again we have 4 different possibilities. In the next stance, here we have 3 different possibilities, and for the units place we have 2 different possibilities. So required answer here in this case would be 4 into 4 into 3 into 2. Am I correct? Yes. So you will have 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 into 4, right? And the answer here is going to be 96 ways. So the option B is the correct answer for the given question. I hope you guys are following the solution, students, right? So here's the next question for the class. In how many ways 8 students can be given 3 prizes such that no students receives more than 1 prize, right? So here you're given there are 3 prizes, and in how many ways can you distribute these 3 prizes among the 8 students? Now if I take the first prize, okay, and the second prize and the third prize here, right? So the first prize, if I have 8 different possibilities here, right? Once a particular student is assigned the first prize, he cannot take the second and third. So in that case, I have 7 different ways of giving the second prize here, and coming down I have 6 different ways of giving the third prize. So total number of ways that you could assign 3 prizes among the 8 students such that the repetition is not allowed. This will be equal to 8 into 7 into 6, right, which is 8 into 7 6 are 42. So the right answer here will be 336. So the option D is the right answer for a given question here. Right students, if you are liking my class, do not forget to give me a thumbs up here. Right? Do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel and do press the bell icon to keep yourself notified with all the live classes that I will be taking up on the platform here. I will be live again on 15th, where I will be coming up with a new mock test, a concept there. So do not forget to join me in on 15th at 11 AM sharp. Right? So if you are also liking my classes, do not forget to join me in my free special classes on our platform there. So in the description you will find the link to my profile. Do click on the link, do follow me and keep yourself updated with the free special classes that I will be taking up on the Unacademy platform. Starting from tomorrow, I will be taking up a series of class on the concepts of limits. Do join me in students in the classes there, and we will have good learning sessions. I do take up classes on the Plus platform as well. So the Plus platform comes up with the add-on advantage when compared to the special classes students. Along with live classes there, we also have a special live doubt clearing session in the Plus platform, and with a single subscription you will have the access to the classes of all top educators on the platform. Apart from that, we also make sure that you keep practicing for the examination, and we regularly conduct quizzes, mock tests and test series. Right, these will be helpful for you all in analyzing your progress there. And as I said, with a single subscription you will be having an access to the classes of all the top educators for your physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology concept. Right? So along with this, you will also get an access to the batch preparation courses which are running on a platform. So recently we have started with the Champions batch for the KCET aspirants for the year 2021, and we also have the other batches which are running on a platform. So there you have the comprehensive batch, and we also have the Kannada batch where the classes are taken up in Kannada language. So to get your Plus subscription, you will also find the link for the same in the description. So do click on the link and explore the Plus subscription offers. So we have different subscriptions for 1 month, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So do get your subscription according to your need for the preparation of KCET examination. While you're getting your subscription, students, do not forget to use the code that is Cleeta Live, CLEETALIVE. Using this code, you will get a 10% off on all the subscription here. Right? So it's time for me to wind up this session, students. I hope you guys had a very good learning session here. So do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you've liked this session, and do follow me on the Unacademy platform and join in my classes there. So let's prepare well for KCET and let's crack KCET 2021-2022 with Unacademy, India's largest learning platform. So have a very good day. I will see you soon and take care and be safe.